Hey everyone, I wanted to make a video today to show how I mounted my light bar on my Kubota BX25D. It's a 2013 model. Do a lot of pushing snow, mostly at night it seems. I got a 22-inch light bar I got on Amazon. It is the Nilight brand, I believe. This is how I made my brackets. You can see it's just a couple of pieces of steel flat bar. I left them longer on the back in case I want to mount some pods in the future for reversing. For now, seems pretty good, just light on the front. As you can see, it comes with the brackets with the light, and I just bolted those to the bracket, and it's pretty simple. All it cost me was 4 bolts and a bit of scrap steel. Just turn it on here. You can drill the small hole here for the switch. Very bright. I just ran the wire down the roll bar and down through this hole, and I ran it direct to the battery. It does come with the relay and fuse, and your battery's in behind this screen here. The wire harness wasn't quite long enough. I had to add some wire into it, probably an extra 2 feet, but all in all it's pretty simple, and tried it out last night and it worked great.